Okay, today we'll be opening up this used Napa Platinum Cartridge oil filter, number PFL47047. And I got this used oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is John Purolator from Yonkers, New York. Thanks, John. This oil filter was in service for 1 year, 1,984 miles, and came off of John's mother's 2016 Toyota Camry. Yep, the one with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's similar to the one pictured in this video. She was using Mobil 1 0W20 full synthetic oil during this period. Let's examine this cartridge oil filter and see how it did. So let's get started. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration. Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. Right here we'll see it says China, so it's made in China. And the filter number was over here. You could barely see it here. Must have got like washed off from the oil. The oil took it off. But this filter has metal crimp seam, has 44 pleats. It's a full synthetic media, but I don't have a micron rating for this. I don't know what it is. Got a large space here, but this filter has a metal screen backing. You can see it in there. So I doubt if it's going to tear anyways. Yeah, there's no center core at all, but there's metal screen in here. Yeah, I think his mother does a lot of short trips because 1 year and only 2,000 miles, 1,900, well, say 2,000 miles. That's not very much. So let me open this filter up and see what it looks like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, here's the filter all stretched out. And this filter media is 57.5 inches long. And let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.78 millimeters thick. Okay, this is the filtering side, back side. You can see the back side is much cleaner. And there really isn't a lot on the surface. It's more stuck, I think, inside the filter itself. Because I couldn't get a good picture of like light coming through it all. But I got an arrow pointing to a little spot. You'll see it on the microscope picture, the little piece of soot or carbon. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, the filter media itself is really, really dark. Let's take a look at it up close. See, there really isn't much on the surface, but it's dark inside the filter. And it's funny over here, these pleats must have been stuck together because it didn't even filter there. Alright, let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So there really isn't much to these filters. You got these two plastic end caps. You got this metal backing. And some metal screen backing. You can see it's magnetic. So it sticks to the magnet. And that's it. There's really nothing else to this filter. But I would say the filter did a good job. There's a lot of soot and, there's soot and carbon it's clean on this side, and you know, I see how dark it is on this side, so it really caught pretty much all the dirty stuff. A lot of it's inside also. And again, I want to thank John for sending me this Napa Platinum oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.